Hey and welcome to Alpha One. In this video I will now show you the trades and things I have done in my live session I had today, because every single day I'm trading live for y'all, because I see there are so many YouTubers that are trading binary option, but no one is trading live every single day. I want to make this real so you can see that what I'm doing is possible. It's not just a made up bullshit thing that I think most of the YouTubers do. So before we get to that, if you want to sign up with the broker I'm using in every single live session, I use this one and I use pocket option, okay? But if you want to sign up for this one, make sure you push the link you see up here right now, or you can just use the link you find below the video. Also there you will find pocket option. I do have some extra sessions I do there, so make sure you sign up with that. And also with pocket option I give 60% of my affiliate income that come back to you as cashback, so make sure you sign up with that also. So if you have accounts from pocket option from before, make sure you use the link you find below. Close the old and open new. Also help me out. My videos are lately getting very few views, so for that you can help me. Make sure you like this video, subscribe my channel, turn on this bell notification thing, so every time I post a video you never lose it, because I have live sessions every single day and I trade around 1 hour every single day, so you can follow my trades and you can trade exactly what I do. So now you think, is it worth following something like that? Good question. Let's take a look. So let's take a look at the trades I did today. Let's take it. They have 22. There we see 21. Okay. So the last, yeah. So there you have, there is a 21 that is from yesterday. So here we have from 22. So you can see here 2 winners there. 2 winners. Then we got 1 loss. You see. So I don't only win. I have some losing also. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 trades. So I won 8 out of 10 trades. And as you can see, as we get a between 92 and 95%, that means if I lose 100, I gain 95, then we're doing good. Just wait a little. Okay, let's continue. So basically you can see we have 8 out of 10 trades winner. So today I can go to WhatsApp, but it posted there. Let's see how much we did win. Basically I made $542 from the trades we did here today. I do $100 trades, so you can basically just scale it down for what you're trading. So my trading style is very simple. If I find a trade, I will show you. Yes, here we have a perfect area. Let's see here now. I just mark here. I take this one there, I change this one for green. And then we basically trade on 30 seconds. I change this for 100. And if I come down to this green line here, I just push up. It's that simple. That's my trading style. As I trade support, resistance and trend lines. That's what I trade. So, and the time frame I put it 1 minute. And also we do trade the forex in the sessions. So if you're into that, we do that also. Here, first trade of the day for forex. You can see here we had a perfect trend line trade. We won that one. Then we did 1 more trade for British pound against dollar. I did tell that be careful because there are news. We lost that trade. So basically we end up with 50% win rate. But as you see, my take profit is 1.5 times bigger than my stop loss. So that means I put my stop loss to be $100. So if I lose $100. That means when I win, I get $151. So in that case, I made $51 even with 50% win rate. So, and I go through all the pairs you see here in the screen. So then together with binary option, we made even more money. So in that case, we made, let me see, $593 total from the session. So if that's something that interests you to follow, we do that every single day. So it's very simple to follow. Basically, when I trade, I will tell them first. I will put in WhatsApp and Telegram. I take a screenshot of this page here, and I show you. Out New Zealand byline. Byline, that means that we're only going to push up, right? And I give the number you see here, and that means when the bar comes down to that line, we just push up. And if you're following my screen, you basically just see the number. You can put the line at exactly the same place I do, and you can just sit and wait and do the same like I do. So then when you see the bar go down to this green line, you just push up. It's that simple. So that is how we are trading in this live session. If we can come down to this line within the next 2 minutes, we will take a trade. Otherwise, you can see me trading live tomorrow if you want to see this type of trading. So there are nothing to wait for. Just make sure you join with the 2 brokers for binary option that I have below. One for this one here, that will be the first link, and the second link for pocket option. And the third link is for the broker that I use for Forex. So it's very easy for you to copy and do what I'm doing, and you can change your life and start to make money also. Of course, my hope is that you learn to trade the way I do, so you don't need to copy me full time, but it's completely okay to copy me also, because I'm going to have this free forever. I'm not going to charge for it. I did charge for people to see my screen before, but I decided that no, I rather want it to be a free thing. The only thing I want in return is that you make sure you join with my affiliate links. That's what I want, nothing else. So as long as people do that, I'm completely okay. That's why also with pocket option, I know many have pocket options accounts from before. I want to give something more so you earn by using. So it's a win-win. I get still 40% of my affiliate income, and you get basically 60% of it as cashback. So it's a win-win for you to use that link also. Plus you can copy what I'm doing. Sorry. So now let's see if we can come down to this green line now. We will see if we can get a trade now also, and if not, completely okay, you can just tune in tomorrow and we will trade together. So after I have uploaded this video now, I will make sure the live session for tomorrow is set, so you can get a timer, so you can get the alert when I go live. Basically 0730 GMT -3, but you will see that also with a link to the YouTube channel after, so you can see, because there will say exactly how many hours it is, and you have the possibility to turn off notification. Now we are basically getting very close to the trade, so if we come down here now, we will go in with one trade, win or lose, we will take that trade. Now let's see. If we turn green, then probably we will not get a trade. Let's wait and see. We need to wait and see this trade here now. So, but I will say this is the most stupid, simple strategy it is for binary option, and you know what? It's the only one working. If you start with any indicators or any of these garbage things that other YouTubers want you to do, then you're losing money. And if you're winning with it, tell me in the comments below that I'm so wrong that it's working for you. But otherwise, okay, now let's see. Let's zoom in. We are getting very close. What I like with this broker, you can zoom out very much and zoom in, so we can get see these lines very easily. There are not so many brokers you can do that, but I really like this. Now let's see, now he's retesting the resistance here now. Let's wait and see. I do like this line, so it would be cool if you could come down there now. I think if he stays below this resistance, I think we'll get a trade within a couple of minutes max. If not, completely okay, like I said, you can just join me tomorrow and we can trade together. Because through my sessions you can see we are getting a lot of trades. And we are basically printing money every single session. So now let's see, we are getting close to our trade here now, I think. One problem you have with this broker, when we push, sometimes can take 2 seconds before a trade is done. So we do sometimes get bad entry. That's why I did lose this trade you see here, was a bad entry. That I push and then the trade come a little after. It can be a little annoying, but when you do it enough, you end up with mostly good entries, by the way, and we do make money, as you can see. But yes, you can get sometimes bad entries and you think the broker is against you. Have nothing to do with that. It's just a little lag when you push the button. So we get the hang of it after a while. If you don't get the trade within the next bar, we will stop. Let's see, because I'm thinking about doing one more live session also today with pocket option. But let's see if we can come down. This is the last bar. If we don't come down here now within this bar, this video will stop. So let's see, now he's retesting the resistance once again. So he's doing the correct in the top, but we're not going down here. That is a little annoying. Let's see if this is the time he come down. We are very close. But close is not good enough. I'm in. And we got a good entry. I like it. So now we just need to wait 30 seconds. We can hold the mouse over these yellow things. We can see the timer. And probably we'll win this trade because it's a very nice entry. As you can see from all these bars here, it's just this one we would have lost with that entry we have right now. So 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and there's it, front of you. Just to show you how I trade, we made another $95. So if this is really something that you want to do together with me, where I can basically tell you where to trade, you can do it also and start to print money together with me. So with that, I really hope I see you tomorrow. Have an amazing day.